here to tell us to speech and make it look like the country isn't rebelling.
From the first time I set my eyes on you, I didn't know from the start. I didn't know how you turned my life around, or how in love I'd be with who you are. But you showed me what it means to be loved. The way you touched me, hold me quietly. You're everything I am not. And when I have you in my arms, I feel undone. So in a long way, I've come to say I love you. Well, every day I open my eyes next to you is a day I'm grateful for, because this thunderstorm of who I am, well, needs a strong woman, and that's who you are. So we'll start today and build our world together. The way we love is the way we will stand. And I know, yes I know, I will last the stormy weather. Just as long as I got you. You touch me, hold me quietly. You're everything I am not. It's when I have you in my arms, I feel undone. So in a long way, I've come to say that you showed me what it means to be loved. The way you touch me, hold me quietly. You're everything I am not. When I have you in my arms, I feel undone. So in a long way, I've come to say I love you. It's in a long way, I've come to say I love you. It's in a long way, I've come to say I love you.
stars hanging in the night sky. You're the one that has captured my eye. The future's brighter when you are by my side. My dream is just a wish you make on things you want when you're awake, and you're a chance that I would always take. In any life, I would look and I would find you through space and time. You'd always be the one that I wish. No matter where, in any world, I'd find you there. Through all of time, through all the years, I'll be waiting for you here, for you here. 100 million people pass me by, but you're the one that changed my whole life. You'd always be the one that I would choose. And if I wish my hardest, maybe you will feel it too. In any life, I would look and I would find you through space and time. You'd always be the one that I wish. No matter where, in any world, I'd find you there. Through all of time, through all the years, I'll be waiting for you here, for you
here. 17, wild and free, brown hair flowing in the wind, speeding down that two-lane street. Most beautiful thing I'd ever seen. And when I finally got your name, I couldn't hide my stupid smile. A Friday night after the game, your blue eyes stole my heart away. Yeah. They said we were too young to know that we need to see the world. The world's not bigger than my dream, that you'd come and make your own with me. And I'm feeling like every single part of me is beating. My chest, my bones, my mind. Now I'm dreaming with every breath I breathe, that you come and make your own with me. That you come and make your own with me. Yeah. Oh, and I'm feeling like every single part of me is beating. My chest, my bones, my mind. Now I'm dreaming with every breath I breathe, that you come and make your own with me. We're shaking hands and stammering words, tried so hard to play it cool. I took your hand and took a knee, and I said, would you come and make your home with me? Would you come and make your home with me? And I'm feeling like every single part of me is beating, much as my bones were mind. Now I'm dreaming with every breath I breathe that you come and make your home with me. Yeah. Come and make your home with me. Ooh. Now you made your home with me. If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand. I have said all of my vows behind the curtain. I know they see us, but they don't stand a chance. I have kissed those lips 1,000 times before this. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. Could be honest, here at the altar, I refuse to grow older unless it's with you.